Alright, well, my little New Holland TC33, this is the model number 7308. I was over there kind of clearing Yo Pond and I was about to park it. And this is as far as I made it. It started sputtering, it died, and I cranked it back up and it sputtered some more, and that's where it's been sitting. So hopefully it's just a fuel filter. And that is right back in there. Kind of hard to get to. But anyway, you can see that little ring at the top. I'm gonna see if I can unscrew that, and that should let that whole plastic bowl kind of come off. And hopefully my shutoff valve works. And I got a new filter. We'll see how it looks. Yeah, there's no way to do it by hand, so I have to get my channel locks in there. Oh, jeez. Come on. Well, doesn't seem really that bad, but I'm gonna change it and see if that was it. If not, we'll move on to something else. Cleaned it up, got the new filter in there with the hole at the top. I'll screw it back on there. And I believe one of my fuel lines actually is compromised a bit, so this whole problem could be just one of the fuel lines is letting air in. But so I'll try both. I'm gonna replace part of the fuel line and see if that might also be the problem. Get it tightened back up with the channel locks. This hose is kind of messed up here at the end. I've seen a drip coming from it now and then, so it's possible that it was letting air in. And then after I do this, hold on. There's this bolt right here that's by where the fuel line goes on. While I'm cranking it, I loosen up this bolt right here, and that'll help bleed the air out of the line and let the diesel come through. This is what they gave me at the tractor place. It's a 3/8 or 9.5 millimeter fuel line. Made in USA. Oh, and if you're gonna replace some of the fuel line, it's probably a good idea to go ahead and get the proper size hose clamps while you're at the store, because that's too big and that's too little. But I found a couple in my junk drawer, so maybe I'll be all right. So that little bleeder bolt down there is a 13 millimeter. I'll get down in there and kind of, yeah, I'll just break it loose a little bit so it's ready to go. And I'm gonna crank it a little bit and see if I can get the air bleed out. I back that screw out. It's kind of blurry, but you can see the wetness, a little bit of diesel come out. I'm gonna try to crank it some more. Close that up. It would not But all you gotta do is bleed that one. Anyway, hopefully that's helpful. Anyway, share it with other people that got tractor problems, and click like, and let's go outside.